Last class we have discussed regarding the health problems in India. Today we are going to discuss regarding the third chapter, other question paper answers. September 2019, what is national health policy? Mainly three national health policy we need to remember: 1983, 2002 and 2017. First, what is the key elements of 1983 National Health Policy? First one, awareness of health problems in the community and to solve the problems in the community. Awareness, problems in the community and to solve the problems in community. Awareness and solve the problems. Second one, safe drinking water and basic sanitation. Safe water supply and basic sanitation. According to the Indian census, 50% of them Indians are not getting safe drinking water and 40% of the have not adequate sanitation facilities. Due to these problems, commonly waterborne disease and vector-borne disease and other diseases common. That's why safe drinking water and basic sanitation have the high importance in the community setup. And another one, reduction of existing imbalance in the health service by concentrating the more on the rural health infrastructure in 1983. This all national health policy key elements is focused on 1983, and that time and still in present also we have there is a big gap in the health facilities in the urban and rural area. So there this program is mainly focused on reduction of existing imbalance of health services. And another one, establishing of dynamic health management information system to support health planning and health program implementation. Establishing dynamic health management. Dynamic health management is system is necessary for the supporting health planning and health program implementation. So dynamic health management information, that is basic need of any of them effective implementation of the programs. Get correct information, what exact problem is facing in the community or our country. That information is necessary to plan and to implementation of the exact programs. And another one, legislative support. There's a different legislative support is so every legislation is preparing or every act is preparing what country is facing or what country needed. That basis legislative support is passed in the parliament during the time. Commonly, smoke prohibited act. In common places we can't smoke. Why? Because of smoking in common place. Nowadays one of the biggest problems is ARI. The ARI basic reason is passive smoking. Not only in active, passive is one of the basic reasons. So legislative will be always built up based on the need of the country and society. And another one, concerned actions to combat widespread of malnutrition, to fight against the malnutrition. Fight against the malnutrition. Another one, research in alternative method, health care delivery and low cost health technology. Research in alternative health care delivery. Research, implement the proper research. And next one is the coordinations of the different systems of medicine. It is not only in allopathy, not only in Ayurveda, it is a coordination of all systems of medicine. We can tell Ayush, Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha, Homeopathy and allopathy also. So like that all system is needed and we can utilize the best and good things. So then only we can get the country to make a best in the world. So coordinate the all different systems of medicine. So we'll see the goals need to be 2000 and what achieved in 2000. Infant mortality rate goal 60% and achieved in 70%. Perinatal mortality rate 33 and achieved 46. MMR 2 is goal but achieved 4, that's great. Under 5 mortality 10, achieved 9.4, 0.6 less. Life expectancy goal is 64, achieved 62.4. Okay. Then low birth weight 10%, achieved 20% reduction. Then like that we can see different circle, different diagrams, TT pregnancy, that vaccination topic. Next we will see the national health policy. Another second policy is the National Health Policy 2002. What is the National Health Policy 2002 is focused on a revised health policy for achieving better health care, and unmet goals has been brought out by the Government of India in National Health Policy. A revised health policy for achieving better health care and unmet goals that has been brought at the Government of India in early, which one of the things is not met in 1983, that achievements, that target is trying to meet in the 2002. And second one is this according to this revised policy, government and health professionals are obligated to render good health care to the society. We need to underline this point: good health care to the society. Good health care to the society. And another one is optimizing the use of health service to a large group rather than small group, foreseen the events of National Health Policy 2002. Optimizing the use of health service to the large group care. That is the main target of National Health Policy 2002. We'll see main objectives. First one, achieving an acceptable standard of good health of Indian population. What is the main target? Acceptable standard of good health. Good health. Second one, decentralizing public health system by upgrading infrastructure in existing institution. Decentralizing public health system. The health system is focused on decentralized. That's why government is begin the Minister of Health and Family Welfare. So every health facilities begin from one centralized, that is that control in the Department of Health and Family Welfare. Decentralizing public health system. And third one is ensuring more equitable access to the health service across the social and geographical expanse of India. Ensuring more equitable access of health service. More equally service is not only in urban area, it's not only in rural area. In both sides have the equal health service is provided. That is another objective. First one, acceptable standard of the good health. Then another one, decentralizing public health system. And third one, equitable access to the health service, equal health services. Then another one, enhancing the contribution of private sector in providing health service for the people who can afford to pay. Enhancing contribution of private sector in providing health service the people who can provide affordable to pay. Contribution of private sector to make more contribution from the private sector, because sometimes not only in public sector can't be afford the all issues. So here all of them can be pay the payment for them. They're providing more contribution to the private sector. And another one, emphasizing the rational use of drugs. Emphasizing, there is some restriction is provided the rational use of the drug. And another one, increase access to the tried system of traditional medicines like Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha. That is an example. So what are the goals? 2003 it focused on enactment of legislation for regulating minimum standard of clinical establishment and medical institution. The new legislation is regarding what? Clinical establishment and medical institution, regarding the standard of clinical establishment, how the clinical side need to go, and medical institutions, that based the new act, new legislation is formed in the 2003. In 2005 what happened? Eradication of polio and yos, that is a target. Then another one, elimination of leprosy, increase. This all of the goal. Don't think we are achieved, we are on the way. Okay, 2005 eradication of polio and yos. Then another one, 2005 same year, elimination of leprosy. And another one, increase state sector health spending for 5.5% to 7% to the budget. First time in 2005, government is spending more money for the health sector, that is 7%. Up to that time, near 4 to 5% they spend. In 2005, government is begin new budget and more money spent for the health sector, that is 7%. Then another one, establishment of an integrated systems of surveillance, national health account and health status. Establishment of integrated system of surveillance. Integrated system of surveillance. Surveillance is nothing but we are assessing the health things. We are assessing the health issues through the health statuses. 1% of total budget for the medical research. This is one of the new things. 1% for what? Medical research. And another one, decentralization of implementation of public health program. In public health program, government is going to the decentralize one system, one through the one channel. Public health program is going to begin. In 2007, achieve zero level growth of HIV and AIDS. Achieve the zero level or zero transmission of disease condition. In 2010, elimination of Kala-Azar. Another one, reduction of mortality 50%, especially in TB, malaria, other vector-borne and waterborne. Then another one, reduce the prevalence of blindness 0.5% to less. Especially keratomalicious, vitamin A deficiency. Okay. Then reduction of infant mortality rate, IMR, infant mortality rate 30/1000 and MMR per 100 per lakh live birth. Then another one, increase utilization of public health facilities from the current level less than 20% to greater than 75%. Utilization of maximum public health facilities. I think compared to previous year, nowadays most of the people are depending upon the public health sector, right? So it is increasing. On that basis, the government is planned. And increase health expenditure by the government 0.9 to 2% of gross domestic product. Increase the health expenditure, and increase the share of central grant to the constituents least 25% of total health spending. Central grant is starting. It's grant. Okay. Then another one, increase the state sector health spending from 7 to 8. How much state need to be spent for health? 7 to 8%. And last one, 25% of total health budget for the medical research. That already we have discussed. First is 1%. Now it is increased 2%. Right. Then 2015, elimination of lymphatic filariasis. We'll see just common diagrams. It is first one, 1983, first national health policy. Then government is reversed 2002. Next one, and 2017 they launched next national health policy. What is the aim of 2017? To inform, clarify, strengthen and prioritize the role of government in shaping health system in all its dimensions. What is the national health policy? 2070 target to inform, clarify, strengthen and prioritize the role of government in shaping health system in all dimensions. We'll see some of the main points. National Health Policy 2017, it focuses on increasing accessibility, improving quality of healthcare system and lowering the cost. So maximum, minimum cost, maximum facilities should be available for the all citizens. That is a target of National Health Policy 2017. It's for all the ages, to possible level of health and well-being for all at ages. All age persons have the maximum level of health facilities. That is the main target of 2017. Without anyone facing the financial burden, to provide all of the maximum best care. We can see some of the common principle: dynamism, professionalism and ethic, equity, affordability, universality, patient-centered, accountability, inclusive partnership, pluralism, and decentralization. We'll see National Health Policy 2017 target. First one, progressively achieve universal health coverage, that assuring available of free comprehensive primary health care service, assuring availability of free comprehensive primary health care service. That is the first target, free and comprehensive complete cover of primary health care service. Second one, ensuring improve access and affordability of quality second and tertiary care service, ensuring improve access and affordability of quality secondary and tertiary care service. Which service? Secondary and tertiary. So it will come under the early diagnosis, treatment and rehabilitation. Then third one, achieving a significant reduction in out-of-pocket expenditure due to the health cost. Achieving significant reduction in the pocket expenditure. So it means reduction of medical expenditure. Then another one, reinforcement trust in public health care system. To trust the public health care systems. In before, the most of all peoples are depending upon the private sector. So that trend need to be changed. The most of them need to be depend public health systems. That is the targeting of national health policy. And next one, align the growth of private health sector with the public health goal. Align the growth of private health sector with the public health system. Then yes, nowadays we can see some of the multi-speciality care will be get in the private sector also. That is alignments. So what is the main 2017 what it achieved? Life expectancy is achieved near 67.5 to 17. Fertility rate 2.2 to 2.1 reduced, and public health expenditure 1.15 to 2.5. These are some of the good achievements. Then achieve the global target 90 for the HIV AIDS by 2010, and achieve and maintain the cure rate less than 85% for TB to reach the elimination by the 2025. That's great. The cure rate, but we are nowadays facing one of the biggest challenges, the multi-drug resistant TB. Okay, then reduce premature mortality from cardiovascular disease, cancer, diabetes on respiratory problems 25% by 2025. Reduce the premature mortality 25% by the 2025. And another one, reduce the prevalence of the blindness 0.25 bar 1000 by 2025. And another one, 80% of non-hypertensive and diabetic should be maintained controlled disease status by the 2025. Then another one, increase utilization of public health facility 50% in current level by the 20. So more utilization of public health facilities, and ANC coverage by the 90% and skilled attendance by the birth of 90%. Okay, then less than 90% newborn should be fully immunized. Now in Kerala 85% and whole India it is 72% have we fully immunized. It targeted 90%. Then next one, reduction of prevalence of current tobacco use 30% by 2000. Presently the cancer is one of the challenging disease. Approximately 90 lakhs to 1 CR cases reporting. In that most of the cases cause is tobacco chewing. So reduction in prevalence of the current tobacco use 30% by 2025. And another one, reduction in prevalence of the stunnings of the under 5 40%. Under 5's maintenance. Under 5 children's maintenance, and reduce the prevalence rate, reduce the disease rate. And another one, safe water supply and sanitation for all 2020. I think in sanitation we are achieved near that, still water need to be run. So safe water supply and sanitation for all of them 2020. And another, this one of the best things is our Pradhan Mantri Yojana programs and Swachh Bharat is some of the example of safe water and sanitation facilities. And another one, ensure availability of the paramedical and doctors as per Indian public health standard norms by the 2020. Then another one, establish primary and secondary care facilities as per norm, higher priority by the 2025. Primary and secondary care, prevention, early diagnosis, treatment. Okay. Then district level of electronic database information. I think in nowadays it's implementing almost electronic basis. So anytime we will get that information. That is one of the things. So all data, all health information will be available in that one. Then we'll see some of the difference in National Health Policy 2002 and 2017. We can predict this question in the differentiate also, right? So reduction of IMR 30 bar 1000 and MMR 100 bar lakh. In 2070, IMR focus on 28 bar 1 lakh and MMR to 100 bar lakh. And increase public health expenditure 0.9 to 2%, and in 2070 1.6 to 2.5. And next one, reduce the mortality TB by 50%, and 2017 achieve and maintaining cure rate of less than greater than 85%. Eradicate leprosy, same, eradicate leprosy. Eradicate Kala-Azar 2010, still that same. 2017 eradicate Kala-Azar. 2015 lymphatic filarias eradicate, it extend 2 year. Eradicate lymphatic filarias 2017. And 2002 50% of total public health expenditure in primary health care, it increased now is 66%, that is 2017. That's some of the policy ideas. First one, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, and another one, balanced health diet and regular exercise. Some of the policy ideas implemented, and addressing tobacco, alcohol, substance abuse. And another one, Yatri Suraksha, Nirbhaya Nari, then against the gender violence, that reduced stress and improved safety in workplace, reducing indoor outdoor air pollutions. These are some of the targets. Then policy process of 2017 key policies are the primary care, selective care. It's going to the now assured comprehensive care. In secondary and tertiary, input oriented, it is going to the output driven. And another one, public hospital, user force and cost recovery. Next, it is coming to assured free drugs and diagnostic emergency services. Then another one, infrastructure normative approach is going to be now target approach. Normative approach, target. So it is nowadays fully targeting what the problems, and Ayush system is changing. Stand alone to the, it is going to change now dimensional mainstreaming. These are the some of the concept changing. Then urban health, to organize public health care deliver and referral supposed to the urban poor. Urban poor, that we need to underline. This 2070 is fully focused on urban poor persons health. Then which are the national health programs? First one, RMNCH plus A service, the developmental action for all sectors of support maternal and child service. Maternal and neonatal child, this full name RMNCH, reproductive maternal neonatal child health care services. Then another one, child and adolescent health, that is focused on 2017. And another one, intervention to address malnutrition, especially IFA, calcium supplement, iodine salt, zinc, vitamin A. Then another one, universal immunization, full coverage of the universal immunization. Then another one, control of communicable disease. Then another one, non-communicable disease control. And mental health, that's new mental health act, it came in 2014. And population stabilization, increase the population is one of the biggest challenges of our world. So it is focused on reduce sterilization for less than 5%. Currently it targeting 30% of sterilization. Then human resource for health is focused on medical education, doctors in remote area, MLHP, nurse education, ASHA, accredited social health activist, paramedical skill. Okay, so another one is the national population policy. So hope we'll discuss this topic in next section because already time is over. So